I'm here with Malcolm from Advanced Solutions. Malcolm, tell me, what does Advanced Solutions do?
We do a range of filling machines, labelling machines, capping machines for a whole host of different industries, pharmaceuticals, e-liquids, chemicals, toiletries. And what we're showing this year is a couple of new machines we've not shown to the PPMA before. We're bringing it out to the wider public of the packaging industry. Just behind you here, we've got the FL12, which is designed initially for short fill of e-liquids, which has been a big growing trend in the UK. It's also a machine that will in fact go out to other products as well as e-liquids. So here we're just putting a 50mm fill into a larger container, and it's an easy adjustable machine. You can see we're actually doing two separate fills just to show the flexibility of the machine. It's servo driven, very accurate, very reliable. It's currently doing up to 120 millilitres on this particular machine, but it'll go as high as 5 litres. So this is the entry level of our automatic filling machines. If we take a step over to this machine here, Matthew will just set this running for us. This is the real high end. What we've got here is a 12 head filler with dual lane infeed. So what's going to happen here is the first 12 bottles will come in. We'll start to fill those. As we're filling those bottles, these now come in, get ready for filling. As soon as they finish filling the first 12, the heads will pan across and then fill the next. So as those are going out and the next coming in, what you're doing is you're reducing, there's no gating time. So it's absolute optimum efficiency out of a 12 head filling machine. So this head is cycling forward and backward. Again, it's all servo drives, very highly accurate, plus or minus 0.5% accuracy. And on a half-litre fill, it'll produce 140 bottles a minute. So it's a very high-speed machine, highly accurate, and it gives great efficiency to production departments. So again, if we move now to the back, this is another type of machine that we do.
Getting the full tour.
This is a sleeving machine. We've shown this at the PPMA before. It's always been a successful machine for us. What we're doing here is we're putting a sleeve over the bottles, so once we've actually applied the sleeve, that would then go through a shrink tunnel. So this would produce a pack something akin to your Lucasade bottles. If you want very high quality packaging with a thin waist, you can't get a label around there, this will actually put a sleeve on and then shrink it to the bottle shape. And if you just focus down there, that's firing through, and that's running at about half its capacity. It will actually run at 300 bottles per minute.
300 bottles a minute?
Bottles per minute. So it's a little bit like a bullet flying down. It's actually called a bullet machine. Those cycling wheels there called bullet machines. But you know, we're doing fully automatic machines at very high level, but we also do entry-level machines for people who are just starting out. Perhaps you've only got 2,000 bottles to label in a day. You certainly don't want to be spending high amounts of money, but it's an entry-level machine, sits on a desk, and people hand place them on. So we're taking people cradle to grave all the way through, helping them with their machinery requirements.
And with that, obviously, you can change the size of the labelling as well.
Absolutely, yeah, up to a maximum of 120 millimetres high, and that will label as fast as you can actually put the bottles on there. So it's a great little machine to get people kicked off, and then once they've bought that, they can move on up to the larger machines and look at higher speeds, higher automation.
Fantastic. We've had a full tour there. I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Can you just tell me, why did you come back to the PPMA show?
Money.
Nice and honest there, I love it.
There's a number of reasons why we keep coming back to the PPMA. You've got friends and people you've worked with on the stands here. You've got people you work with, different relationships. You're meeting new people. You're meeting customers you've dealt with out of the office. You sit down, you have a chat, you have a beer, and you're mixing with the people that you've known, meeting the new people. And certainly this year, I would say we've had the best nest egg of inquiries that we've had for a good number of years. And there's gold out there. It's been a great show for us.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for chatting to us, Malcolm, and have a great rest of the show.
My pleasure. Thank you.